Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a fully functional website using free AI and you don't have to pay for this. And if you don't know how to code, this video is for you. And I'm going to show you all the process step by step how you can actually make a complete fully functional website if you don't know any coding, okay, and for free also. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to show you the installation process, how you can actually install the AI we are going to actually use here in this video. So you just have to go to the terminal. If you're from Windows, just go for the command prompt, okay? And then type here npm install. Maybe you can actually write down here I only and then -G to install it globally so that you can access this AI from anywhere in your PC, okay? Let's say you want to make a PHP website. So you have to actually keep your PHP project inside htdocs, right? So there you can actually use this AI CLI, okay? If you use here -G, all right, and then the AI, that is open code CLI, okay? So we're going to say here open code -AI add latest. So this is for the Windows user, but if you're from Mac, here you just have to add sudo the very beginning, and then here you have to remove this add latest. That's it. Installation process is that simple. All right, now let's say you have installed it. Now we'll check the version, which version actually we have. So if I say here open code -version, I will get the open code version I have installed in my PC. Here you can see. All right, now I'll open code, but where? Now depends on your project, what kind of project actually you want to make. If it is PHP project or Django project or React project, whatever, you have to actually choose a specific folder where you want to actually create the project. So I'm going to actually show you the PHP project, okay, how you can actually create a PHP project. And let's say it's a portfolio site. So how you can do this? Let's go. At first you have to actually as it is a PHP project, so you need a server for this. So we are going to use here XAMPP, because XAMPP will provide us two servers. One is for the PHP, another one is for the database. I already installed XAMPP here in my PC. You have to install it. Just go to the browser and go for the XAMPP Apache Friends. Type XAMPP, there you will find www.apachefriends.org. Now click here download. It will directly take you to the download page. From here you can download and install the latest version. Now select the operating system according to your operating system. If you are using Windows, then select XAMPP for Windows. If you are from Mac like me, then you can go for XAMPP for OS X. Here you can select the latest one. Click here download, then it will start downloading. Then you just have to install it. That's it. And if you're from Windows, you have to actually choose a specific drive, right? C drive or any other drive in your PC. No matter which drive you have installed, you will find a folder called XAMPP. Here you can see XAMPP. Just go inside the folder, go inside htdocs, and here you have to create the project. I'm going to create here a new folder, and the folder will work as a project. Now let's change the name. So it will be portfolio -AI. This is my project name, let's say. And here I want to create the project. So I will not do any coding here. I will just use that AI I have installed. So I'm going to open terminal here at the specific folder. This is the process in Mac OS, but in Windows you have to actually go inside the project folder. Here you have to open command prompt. To open command prompt, you have to click here in the address bar and then type cmd. Then you will find command prompt. If you hit enter, that's it. Currently I'm inside portfolio AI folder or project, whatever you say, and here I'm going to open code. So just type here open code, hit enter. Open code will be open here within short time. Here you can see. Now let's maximize this screen, and I'm going to actually skip this update. I don't need any update now. So here you can see ask anything, okay, ask anything. So here you just have to give all the information related to your project. You want a portfolio site, so make sure you have mentioned all the necessary things about your project. But I'll suggest you to go with a chatbot and generate a prompt, because a prompt can make a professional site for you. So let's go for the prompt. To generate a professional prompt, we'll go for the browser and then go for the chatbot like ChatGPT. So if you type ChatGPT, then you will come to this page, ChatGPT. Just log in to your Google account and then ask for a prompt. I will mention here that I want a professional prompt for my portfolio site, for my PHP portfolio site. Give I will do this using OpenCode CLI. Give me the prompt. And now if you want specific color combination, you can mention here, let's say yellow color combination, blue, whatever, just mention here. I'm okay with it for the tutorial purpose, so let's just go for it. Okay, here you can see these are the process. So I'm going to actually select I'm going to copy this. Okay, copy this prompt. So let's select and copy this. So we are going to now, okay, so I'm going to copy this. Okay, and let's go back to the terminal, and here we're going to paste it. Press Command plus V from your keyboard. Now let's go for the XAMPP control panel. So here I'm going to actually go to the XAMPP control panel. So XAMPP, and here you can see manager -OSX. If you're from Windows, there will be, if you you have to actually press Windows key from your keyboard and then type XAMPP control panel, then you will get XAMPP control panel. Here I'm going to give the password and open XAMPP control panel. Here we go. Click here, manage servers. From here, we are going to start Apache and MySQL, both server. All right. Here you can see starting. We just have to wait for the running. Okay. Here you can see running. Now it's okay. Minimize it. Minimize this also. Now we can actually hit enter. And now we don't have to do here anything. Rest of the work will be done by this AI. This AI will do all the things and it will create a complete fully functional website for us. And I'm going to show you the output also. And for now, I'm going to fast forward the video, and when the project will be done, I will back. But let me tell you one more thing, and that is, if you find any kind of error during project creation time, you can actually mention here and then it will solve all the issues. Okay, that's it. It means you don't have to do here any coding. All right, so now I'm going to fast forward the video and we'll see the project output also. So that's it. So guys, here you can see it complete the whole project for us, and now this is the time to check the project. So these are the steps here you can see to set up this. Now first of all, we have to actually import the database. So our database inside SQL, then schema.sql. So we have to actually go to that folder. So we have created our folder inside htdocs, right? Here you can see. Go inside the folder, and here you will find SQL folder, and go inside of it, and here you can see schema.sql. So we have to actually import it in the database. Now you have to go to the database. So you have to actually go for the localhost /php myadmin, okay, and here we are going to create new database. So the database name will be what, we actually don't know. So we are going to actually double click on this and we open this in a code editor. And here we go. So this is our database. We are going to copy from here, and let's go there in the browser, and here we are going to create a new database. So create, here you can see this is our database portfolio underscore DB. Okay, so now we are going to click here import, choose the file, then we will actually go to the XAMPP folder, htdocs, then our project, and here we have SQL folder, and here we have schema.sql. So we are going to upload this. Scroll a little bit down, here we'll find option called import. Click here import, successfully imported. Here you can see. Now we are going to access the project. So our project is let's just remove extra tabs. Okay, let's go to the new tab, and here we are going to say localhost / and we'll hit enter. Okay, so where is our project? Our project is inside htdocs, right? And the project name is portfolio AI. So I'm going to rename this. Let's copy this Let's go there in the browser. Here we're going to go with localhost / our project name, Portfolio AI. Okay, so let's remove this extra slash and hit enter. Server error. Why? I'm going to actually copy this error. Okay, and let's go back to the terminal, and here we're going to paste the error. Okay, then I will say that solve this. Then it will solve all the issues. Okay, so it solved all the issues. Now we are going to access our project. So let's go to the browser once again and refresh this. And here we go. We have a nice professional portfolio site. Here you can see it's working fully functional. Awesome. Now I have shown you how you can actually create this kind of website through AI, and also completely free. I mean, if you don't know any coding also, this is not a big issue. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you understand. If this video helps you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.